Hey guys, it's Mickey and I just hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes! 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, yeah. So I'm going to take you guys back to all my videos. I'm just going to scroll it down for you guys to see. And if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Yeah, join the crew, Mickey Skincare crew. Yeah. And I love you guys. I love you all for subscribing to my channel. I love you all for following me till this time. I love you guys for ordering my ebook, and you're also going to look beautiful and awesome. And I love you guys for continually viewing my video and actually placing your comments out, placing your requests at the same time. And thanks guys. My god, 1,000 subscribers. Really? Yeah! I was feeling crazy when I saw it. I was like, wow. Though it took me a while. Took me longer than I had expected. Maybe because I've not been promoting it. I guess no money to promote it. Anyway, that's not the issue. The issue is I want a genuine subscriber. I want people who are willing to actually come on board. Each time I actually upload a video, I want your suggestions, I want your views, I want your comments, and I want your drive. Yeah, the drive to actually want to you're gonna to stay tuned to my channel each time, you know, oh, Monica's gonna be uploading today. Yeah, I think she's gonna upload today, so I should just probably just wait for her to upload. And I love you guys to bits. I keep saying it, I would not stop saying it. I love you guys to bits. And check out all the videos and click on it if you like it, and if you probably just want a glowing skin. If you just tune into my channel right now, click on it. Yep. Click on it, learn about how to remove your knuckle. I removed my knuckle, and also whitening cream, toning cream. You know, I toned my skin completely. I was really dark. I used to be dark. I'm just playing around today. You know, I was shocked. I think last week I was in 900 plus, and now 1,000 plus. 1,019 subscriber. Yeah, 1,019 subscriber. I'm really impressed with myself, and I also really need to thank my subscribers, because without you guys I am nowhere. So you guys are my fans, my real fans. I love you guys. I'm still gonna keep saying it. I love you guys to bits. So right now, just stay tuned for the upcoming videos I'll be showing. You know, to be rotated round, so you guys get to see, oh yeah, I think I watched this, I think I saw this, I think I saw this. And it's funny, YouTube never even sent me a message to say, wow, bananas, you got into 1,000 subscribers. They didn't even bother. I thought they were probably going to send one. They didn't. Whatever. I know 1,000 subscribers is small, but for now, it's a big thing for me, because it's my first 1,000 subscriber, you know. 1K view. Thanks, guys. Again, my thank you is not enough. I just can't stop saying thank you. You know, without you guys, there's no me. I keep saying it, so I have to keep appreciating my subscribers. I have to keep appreciating my YouTubers. Even though you're not subscribed to my channel yet, and you're just viewing my video, thanks for viewing. Thanks for just clicking on it and watching my video. Thanks a lot. And just check out the other video that we displayed. Bye guys.